What's up, y'all? It's Mo, and I'm going to do a little bitty haul here from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I got, I believe it's the March Mystery Kit, her June kit, or Juneteenth kit, and then some sort of mystery foil kit. So I'm going to show you everything that's in this Juneteenth kit. That's what we're going to be planning with today. I'm very excited. This one is the Epic kit, I believe. So there's lots and lots of sheets. And this is actually going to be the first time I'm showing you guys how I plan in a long vertical spread with standard vertical stickers. I have a little sticky note there. I'm marking that this is going to be my new releases week, and then also a Juneteenth in my classic planner. I also have overlays from Caress Press here. I use those overlays. I've had them in my stash. I purchased them a while ago. I'm like, I might as well use them. So I pulled those out. I'm going to start off by drawing my template for my long vertical spread. I got to go get my pen here, I realize. And you guys seen me draw this out before, so I'm kind of going to skip over it here. The stencils will be linked in the description. I have not filmed or recorded anything in quite a while. I was sick for like 2 weeks, and then I got a little bit of food poisoning and was sick again. So also, I don't know if my voice has fully gotten back to normal. So that's where it's at. I was excited to film this though, so I wanted to just get in and get going. So I'm laying down the, I guess it's like sort of extra washi. It's not the washi that was in the kit, but it's kind of like the add-on washi, and I'm using my ruler and my little Dollar Tree X-Acto knife. I got that from the Dollar Tree. To trim it up at the end there. So I have realized that I really do like the long vertical style. I like long vertical. I don't know why I force myself to use standard vertical. At the end of it all though, I do like the standard vertical spreads that I come up with, but I just find that long vertical is way more functional for me. I don't know. So I'm gone back to long vertical. So now I'm putting on my date covers, and these are just date covers that are in your standard vertical type of kit. I love the pattern. I was really debating, should I cut the bottom washi that's in this kit and use it, or just use the add-on washi, and I think that it would have been too much pattern for me. So I'm glad that I used the solid color like gray washi tape, or bottom washi, I guess, at the bottom. So I'm trying to decide what stickers, what full box stickers I want to use, where I want to put them and everything. And I'm trying to get out my planner because the previous week I used the Scribble Prints Co. Pride kit, and I really liked how I did that with standard vertical. So I'm kind of using that as like a reference. And one of my tips, or whatever tricks, I guess, to using standard vertical stickers in a long vertical is to separate your like double box seam across the spine of your planner. That way you won't, if you push them together like right in the, boxes that butt up against each other, they're not going to line up properly, because there is that space usually in a standard vertical type of planner. So that's just a trick I have, and that's what I've always done when I was doing my previous way. I was doing standard vertical, which is just drawing it out line by line before I had the templates. So yeah, and I'm kind of staggering stickers. I don't put full boxes in each column. I tend to use, what is this, like 6? I tend to use about 6 full box stickers in my long vertical spreads when I'm using like standard vertical sticker kits. And then I will work on my sidebar. I usually do dinners, and what I do here is kind of create some space between each sticker. So I usually do dinners up top, and then I do my habit trackers. So usually for habits, I'll do like, one will be like clean. And then the second one this week that I am currently in, I did meditation, but then I got sick, and so I haven't done it yet. And it's Wednesday when I'm filming this. So I usually put 2 habits, and then I will put down another glitter header, and then a full box. And then I was thinking about putting a second full box there, but I realized I had an idea last week when I was planning with Scribble Prints Co., but then I couldn't remember it. So in the end, eventually you'll see me put down a checklist. And my camera was not cooperating here. It kept wanting to die. It was overheating. It was I don't know, something, something. So there's a little bit of jumps around because I had to stop filming and then keep filming and then wait. And then, so it was a big ordeal. My camera, which I used my old iPhone to film, my iPhone did not want to cooperate. But I just fill in the negative space around these full boxes with some glitter headers. If there's pattern washi tape that's like the size of a glitter header, then I will use that. This week I kind of just wanted to use the glitter headers, so that's what I went ahead and did. So now you can see that the boxes are kind of more filled out, and I really like the way that this looks. I'm going to go ahead and pull in some checklists from the the Happy Planner Colorful Boxes sticker book. I like to use longer checklists. I'm thinking about making a whole, like, either a sticker template for the shop of just, what are these called? Checklists, or just making maybe some and putting on Patreon. I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys would like a sticker template that's just making checklists. Not sure if that's something that would be feasible. And then I'm going in and laying down some of the like appointment boxes and things like that. And I kind of get carried away in this spread laying down the boxes, and I forget that I do want to use deco. So there's not a lot of room for deco in the end of this. But I just start to lay down my boxes. Again, I'm just making a nice, like, cohesive looking spread. The boxes are there for me to use when it comes to time for planning. I don't necessarily plan what's going to go in the boxes at that moment. And I realized that this kit didn't have any flags, and I really like to use flags in my planning. It creates a little bit of white space. It allows me to write on the sticker page. So it's just something I like. So I decided to use some of the washi strips, and I kind of trimmed it down. And I think that my nails were too long. I could not get this to work. I was like fidgeting with it, and then I would cut it and the flag would be too long. I don't know. I think it was because I just couldn't get my fingers to work properly with my nail length. I don't know. So I just cut some of that and placed those down, and you can see here's where it's going to jump around a little bit because my camera was like not working. So again, laying down boxes, peeling them up, sticking them back down, making sure that they work. You can see I got a little bit frustrated there. That's why I like waved my hands around. But yeah, just filling in where I want to fill in boxes. And again, I'm going to put down the glitter, or not the glitter headers, the full box overlays. Again, these are from Caress Press. And at the end of it, I realized that Caress Press has specific overlays that can go over a double box scene, and I completely didn't use them. So I was kind of frustrated with myself there. But I put down the full box overlays. Now I'm going to put down the header overlays. And I had put off putting these down because I was like, I don't need to put them down right now. But then I realized that I was going to put my not decorative boxes, my like appointment boxes and stuff over onto the full boxes to create the spread the way I wanted it to, like I'm doing with this sticker here. And I realized I needed to put down the overlays. So I kind of did it out of order, and I was like, why would I put them down now? I don't necessarily need to. Turns out I do need to. So I, again, really have been loving using standard vertical kits in my long vertical planner. I love it. It's been working perfectly for me. And I feel like you could get multiple spreads from an ultimate sticker kit like this. I think she calls them, Pink Diamond Planner Co. calls them epic kits. So you could get, if I had maybe if I was actually using my Print Impressions planner, which I really would like to use my Print Impressions planner, I just heckin' don't. Then I could get multiple spreads out of this one kit. I will show you at the end all the stickers that I have left. Heck, you could probably even get another whole spread, like classic spread or whatever, out of this if you're planning this way. And I love the white space. I love white space planning. And again, I have a flashback to when we used to just stack stickers upon stickers upon stickers. And so funny. And some weeks I was thinking about it. I was like, should I use some underlays this week? And I didn't. I haven't been using them recently, and I don't I like that I have the space to write on the actual planner page, and sometimes I'll use underlays, but most of the time I won't. And I don't really have any underlays that are long vertical. And the only shop that used to make long vertical underlays, like full box underlays, are or was Girl Boss Anna, and I don't think that they make those anymore. I think that they've just gone to the regular standard vertical size overlay tape, which is fine. It's not, I don't think a lot of long vertical planners use the underlay tapes. I probably was like the only one. I do have underlays I have a bunch of overlays and underlays for long vertical in my Etsy shop. So they're DIY ones. You would have to print them on your toner printer and then foil them yourself. Again, I am trying, I keep forgetting, but I need to put out a video on doing foiling with your mink. I will tell you 100%, if you're going to do foiling, you need to get a mink. It's just, or if you can find maybe even a more affordable high heat laminator. I don't know the prices of those. I feel like the mink is going to be your best bet. And I have seen people say that they have been on like clearance at their Joann's. So that may be something to look out for. But yeah, a laminator is not, a regular standard laminator is not going to get hot enough for your needs for foiling. It's just not. It's just not. So I think I'm continuing to put down my overlays, putting them over the glitter headers and whatnot, and then filling in with boxes, etc. Now I'm going to put down some deco, I think, and I just like to create, I don't know if you would call it like little scenes in the corners of the boxes. Sometimes I will use the white space to create little scenes. Sometimes I will use maybe like a corner of a decorative full box. It's just a way to use the deco, since there is not really a place at the top to put the deco like you would maybe in a standard vertical layout. And I really like the deco that is in all of these kits. Like, there's always real cute deco that comes with your planner kits. So I wanted to find a way to utilize that. There is a little, like, I don't know if you would call it fashion girl or whatnot in the deco, and I could not find a place to use her, so I was kind of disappointed that I couldn't fit her in anywhere. But I think overall, I feel happy with the way I used the deco. I probably could have, again, got a little box happy, and I was like, oh crap, there's not enough room for me to put the deco. So if I had maybe done the deco first, I think that probably would have helped. I am getting used to, this is only like the third week that I have used a standard vertical kit in my long vertical, so I'm not 100% used to it yet. I did a layout like this, and then I skipped a week to do long vertical, like a real long vertical spread, and then I went back to it. Now this is my third week that I'm doing it this way, so I still am trying to get used to what the best method would be to do that. And don't you always hate that when you change up your planning style and then you have to figure out what the best method to, I don't know, repeat it is? I feel like I did real great with my first one, and my second one I did okay, and my third one was like, how did I do this beforehand? I feel like I don't have the process down. And I don't know if you guys do that. I don't know if you all, like, you plan the same way every time. And I feel like in my Pride plan with me, I always plan the same way when I use the photo kits that I make. In a long vertical, I use the stickers like nearly the exact same way. The spreads, I think they look different, but they look very similar. But they're very functional. Like, I think that's the best sticker kit I've ever designed. It works so perfectly for me. And so now that I'm doing this way with the long vertical kits, I'm like, what is the best process to get this down on the paper in the way that I would like it to be? Like, what is the best way to do this? So I end up putting down a little flag from the Caress Press overlay kit there. And then I don't have any June monthly overlays, or not overlays, monthly like words like to put in the corner up there. I completely skipped ordering June from Magical Sticker Co. and I just don't have any Junes. So next time I place an order, I'm going to order some Junes. But I just figured it wasn't really important for right now. Maybe I'll see if I can find some Junes another place, anywhere, somewhere in my stash of things. But yeah, I have like every month except for June. And I was like, what the heck is my problem? So you can see I just flipped through the sticker kit there. I have a butt ton of stickers left over, and I even have some of the overlays left over. So yeah, it would be totally doable to do another spread in another planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to leave a link to this sticker kit in the description below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.